Hello guys, today we are unboxing the MacBook. Very 36 GB unified memory, 1 TB SSD, 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M3 Max chip. Wow, looks so awesome. Looks very nice. Let's unbox it. Here is an arrow. So nice. Wow, wow. So nice wrapping. Oh. Hello, it's saying hello in Arabic also. Oh, nice. So nice. Let's see what else it has. It has a charger designed by Apple in California. Cable Max F3 power cable. It's very nice. So nice. Whoa, sticker of the MacBook also is there. Wow, Apple logo. Sticker with the sticker you can stick in our car or somewhere. This is the charger point. Wow, great. Looks so great. This all the papers they have put. This is different, and this is the charger point. Oh my goodness, like this. This is the charger of MacBook. Wow, nice. This also will go. Wow, so nice. So wow, so long, so nice. We'll connect here, support, and we'll connect here.